everyone, Shawn Carey with Migration Productions, and welcome back to Exploring the Natural World. I'm here on Grimsey Island in Iceland, and if you watched my other video I did here on the island and about the photography here, the bird photography here, what I wanted to do for today's video is actually show you more photos and more video that I was able to record and photograph while I spent time on the island. I just want to give you more of a sense of really how unbelievable the photography is here. So let's take a look. So there you go. Again, just wanted to show you a nice selection of photos and videos that I was able to take while I was here on the island, and so you could get a real sense of how unbelievable the photography is here. You know, again, it's just a bird photographer's paradise here. You know, to my right, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of Arctic terns here, and you could probably hear them in the background. Out on the ocean here, which is very calm today, which was not the case yesterday, very calm, all along the water's edge here. Hundreds, if not thousands, of puffins, razorbills, murres, flyby kittiwakes, fulmars. There go 3, 4, 5, 6 kittiwakes right there, just in that short span of time. Arctic terns flying by, another kittiwake. I mean, it's unbelievable how many birds you can photograph here. So if you're interested in photographing these species, you want to plan a trip here. If you do, make sure you give yourself enough time. Don't plan a 2 or 3 day trip. Make sure you've got multiple days here, lots of time to explore the island, to have enough opportunities to get out there and get the images that you want. The weather conditions change very quickly here in Iceland. Now, I was here in 2014, so I had a good idea of how quickly conditions can change. It can go from being what we have right now, which is pretty good conditions, to fog rolling in, light mist, rain, the wind picking up. You just never know how quickly the conditions are going to change. So definitely get yourself out here, check it out, you're going to enjoy it. Lots of things to photograph. I can't stress enough how much bird photographers want to spend time on this island. And here comes my friend Ben, who's on the trip with me. Come on, Ben, get over here. I'm gonna introduce you to Ben. Ben and I have been spending the week together. We'll see how much the mic picks us up. Sit down here, Ben. Come on over here.
How you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm not sure the mic's gonna, sit down, Ben. Have a seat. Have a seat. We're gonna get somebody else on exploring the natural world. See if this mic picks up. Ben, what do you think of this island?
It's hard to top this. This is just amazing. It's beautiful. The people are friendly. Landscape, wildlife, the works. There's birds. I mean,
Photography is pretty unbelievable, isn't it?
there are puffins everywhere.
Puffins galore. Puffins
I
galore.
felt a motion last night. My blankets moved. I thought it was a puffin. You know,
Nice.
They're everywhere. It's phenomenal, and the opportunities you get for flight, landing, behavioral shots. The kittiwakes are starting with their young.
Yep.
It's just amazing.
There you go. So not just me, my friend Ben as well. Come on out, you're gonna love it. So, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos here on Exploring the Natural World. And as always, remember, please help protect wildlife and help protect wild places. Cheers. Okay, what do we got? Oh, kitty wait.